Welcome to my channel. My name is Samson Moses, the author of Universal Law. This is the third episode of my video on Universal Law, and today I'll be dealing on the Universal Law of Divine Oneness, which states that we are from one source, we are all connected, we are one. Everything existing is connected to everything in the present, the past, and the future. We are from one source. Everything, every place, everybody, including the creator of the universe, are all connected. We are connected. We are one. It might appear as if we have been separated by the invisible wall of religion, ideology, politics, tribe, race, but that does not stop the fact that we are one. We are connected. We are from a single source. Whatever affects the West affects the East, and whatever affects the North, it's just a matter of time through the principle of ripple effect. It will also affect the South. It is important to guide your thought, your belief, your action, because whatever affects you does not only affect one person, it affects all. We are connected. We are one. Everybody and everything is made from atom. From the smallest grain of sand to the largest planet in our universe are all made from atom. The sun, the mountain, flowers, sea, everything is made from atom. The atom consists of three small particles: proton, neutron, and electron. The proton and neutron are in the nucleus of the atom, and the electrons orbit around the atom. It is the interaction between these three particles that brings about the charges in the atom, and it is the interaction between these particles that brings about the different bonding, like the electrovalent, covalent, and hydrogen bond, which results in molecules and compound, and which is responsible in building everything in our universe. If you are taking water today, know that you are taking atom, 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen, which combine to form the molecules of water, physical water that you see. Everything you see, the clothes you wear, the different kinds of food, vegetable, and what kind of thing, whatever you eat is made up of atom. Everything is made up of atom, including you. An average person of 70 kilograms in weight is made up of about 7 octillion of atoms, which is about 7 times 10 raised to power 27 atoms. Everything is made up of atom because we are from a single source. We are all connected. We are one. Everything is made up of energy because everything is made up of atom. Atom generates energy because of the interaction between the positive and negative charge in the atom. If, for instance, you take a pen and rub on your head and take it to a piece of paper, small piece of paper, you discover that it magnates the paper because the paper is made up of energy. The pen and your hair are made up of energy. And all energy in the universe connects. Everything that existed is connected to everything in the past, present, and future. Because according to the first law of thermodynamics, states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to the other. If you observe Einstein's equation, E is equal to mc squared, where E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c stands for velocity. It means that energy is equal to matter, and matter is equal to energy. And why is this equation important in our connection? It means that as we are, for instance, whatever happens to you, if you stop existing, you are not destroyed because you are energy, and energy can only be transformed from one form to the other. Remember, you are about 70% water, so the water in you goes back into water cycle. Nitrogen goes to nitrogen cycle, the carbons goes to the carbon cycle, and everything other thing goes back to the cycle. If you take, for instance, there were dinosaurs that existed about 60 million years ago. Those dinosaurs are what the part of the energy from those dinosaurs are what we are using to paddle our aircraft, cooking gas, and what have you, because they are transformed into carbon petroleum. So energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but be converted from one part to the other. The plants that grows, they'll reach a particular part, they'll die, they'll go back to the soil and become nutrient, and the nature will make use of them into convert them into another form of energy. For instance, you take this energy and it becomes part of you. As you go out, this energy continues to transform from one form or the other. Everything that existed is connected to everything in the present, in the past, and in the future, because we are one. I'll stop here because of our time. In my next video, I'll be discussing the application of universal law of divine oneness and why it is important to humanity. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.